Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm finally here to show you on how I organize my pantry. I'm also going to give you some tips and ideas on how you can organize yours, of course. Now just few steps that you need to follow and you're good to go. So first thing that we had to do is to take everything out of our pantry, which means you need to empty out your pantry. Now that everything is cleared out, I went ahead and cleaned out my pantry. So after I cleaned out my pantry, I went ahead and sorted out all the items that I have. And this is the best way to check the expiry dates and anything that you need to get rid of. This is the time for you to do it. After sorting everything out, next thing to do is to transfer them to their designated containers. But first, we're not supposed to skip the other step, which is you have to make sure that you have to wash and dry all of your containers before you transfer anything into them. Also, I got these airtight containers from Target where I store some of my beans like lentils, chickpeas, and flax seeds. Next step is now for us to transfer them to their designated containers. I just love to see this process. I don't know why, but I just love it. Also, I'm using these white IKEA containers because they're deep enough to fit in all of my bulk items like granola, cereal, sugar, flour, quinoa, etc. almost done, guys. The next step would be the labeling process. This is one of the best part that I love because I love to see them labeled. Oh my gosh. You can see, guys, everything is ready to be put away. I'm just showing you how beautiful it is, especially it's labeled. I love it. Now we're moving to the last part, which is putting them all together. So it's really exciting. So the last part is putting them all together. So this is the best part because it's like a puzzle. So it's up to you on how you would like to see them every single day when you open your pantry. Okay guys, those are my tips and ideas on how you can organize your pantry. Also, if you would like me to make another organization video, you can always comment down below. And if you like this video, you can definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe, you can always hit the subscribe button down below. And at the same time, if you would like to get a notification when I uploaded a new video, you can hit that ring or that bell button down below. And I hope you enjoy your day, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I really do. Bye!